Hello, Nick here from TechNuovo and welcome back to the channel. If you've been following us on our socials or watched a recent video, you will know Steph and I are at this year's CES. We've just been to see Corsair and they have lots of new goodies for us to talk about. But before that, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell and give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. We were firstly greeted by Corsair Concept Orion, which is a new concept case from the brand and includes 150 ultra bright, ultra efficient Corsair Caplex LEDs. The LEDs are fitted to tempered glass via ultra low visibility film, and when we look closely it was incredibly easy to miss. The LED arrangement is fully compatible and customizable with Corsair's IQ software. It looked absolutely amazing and definitely caters for a gamer's growing need for more RGB. It was still a concept, still in development, but keep an eye out for this in the near future. Corsair had a few official releases and announcements this year, with the first being the release of their new CPU air cooler, the A500. The A500 is able to cool CPUs up to 250 watt TDP and is equipped with 4 direct contact heat pipes and 2 Corsair ML150 magnetic levitation bearing fans, controllable via PWM for precise adjustment of fan speeds between 400 RPM and 2400 RPM. The fan sits within a retractable slide and lock fan mount, allowing for a variable fan height to accommodate a wide range of DRAM. The A500 is easy to install and stays firmly in place thanks to the Corsair hold-fast retention system. When we got our hands on it, it was lighter than expected, comes pre-installed with thermal paste, and the fans are a breeze to take on and off. It is available next week in the UK and the US for about £85 or $99. Next up we have the K95 RGB Platinum XT mechanical keyboard, available with cherry brown or blue switches. The K95 includes dynamic per key RGB backlighting, allowing near limitless customization. It also includes PBT double shot keycaps, 6 dedicated macro keys which can be programmed alongside your Elgato Stream Deck software, and the overall build quality and attention to detail was superb. You can also see us here trying out the Corsair IQ software with the K95 keyboard and a number of their other products, all of which can be perfectly coordinated together to offer the ultimate look. There were also a couple of updates from Elgato, including a new capture card, the 4K60S Plus, which is Elgato's most powerful external capture card yet, and includes everything the original 4K60 did, but it allows you to record gameplay directly to an SD card without the need for a connected computer. This makes it easier than ever to save and transfer your recordings. Elgato also have their new Keylight Air, which offers the same powerful, customizable LED studio lighting in a compact form factor that fits effortlessly into any setup. Equipped with 80 premium Osram LEDs and multi-layered diffusion technology, the Edgelight LED panel outputs 1400 lumens and a wide range of warm to cold color temperatures between 2900K and 7000K. Next, we found out that Corsair actually acquired Scuff Gaming just a few weeks ago. This now means Corsair can offer console gamers top level controllers used by the pros at international competitions. There is no suggestion the Scuff name or branding will disappear anytime soon. Lastly, Corsair showcased the ultimate gaming machine they developed with Origin PC. The Origin PC Big O features a high-end gaming PC and an Xbox One S or PS4 Pro in one compact box. They are not cheap, but they look awesome, and we all know PC gamers also have a console too, just in case our PC dies. That is a wrap on this Corsair CES roundup. If you're still here, thanks for sticking around, and we will see you in the next video.